Yeah, follow her. She go to the river. The piece of chicken.
Where did she go? She moved kind of fast. What is she washing it for?
Because it's easy for her to swallow it.
Oh. I wonder if this.
Come here, baby. Come here.
She gonna wash that piece of meat.
Cute.
Ain't she cute? Oh, look at this huge ant. Look at this big old.
Did you see her jump? She jumps like so good. Do you guys have the same monkey that comes too? We saw a monkey yesterday.
Come very, very close.
Oh man, I gotta get the monkey again.
Are you? Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check out the bird.
I already did.
That's what I'm telling the people on there.
Oh, look. This lady right here is awesome. You see her? She does all of this stuff. Look at this. Beautiful.
Well, I'm trying.
Look at this. This is her. This is her handiwork.
Working on it. Working on it.
And this lady right here, she is so amazing. She say hola. Look at it, so beautiful. Okay.